Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to delete transaction history in Taptap. So let's get started. So for example, if you want to delete a transaction history and you're trying to look for it and you want to delete it, and you also go to the payment section and you realize that there is no option for the transaction history deletion. Many videos on YouTube claim that they will be able to delete the transaction history and also all the money transaction happened with their account, but unfortunately there is no way to delete your transaction history, especially for payment based apps, which Taptap Send is. According to legal policies, any payment based apps do not have the ability to delete the transaction history for security and safety reasons. So that is why the transaction history and the record needs to stay in the app forever, and also so that people can be helped during the time of fraud. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.